Just got back from a longish trip in the rain and mud from Wales, and noticed that the exhaust flapper valve is making a really loud screeching noise. Let's just try turning it on and let it go through its start-up cycle. See if you can hear this. So yeah, distinct screech as it goes from one extreme to the other. I'm going to have to take the cover off and just have a look what's going on, maybe lubricate it with some graphite or something similar that will stand the high exhaust temperatures. Oh well.